Tapos andito kami Ilanisa, pupunta kami ng park, kami lang. Yan ah. Kyang. Ayan. Lakad lang guys, papuntang park. So ayan, nakatali tayo ng hair kasi mainit. Mag-walking tayo. Back. Let's go. Exercise na rin. Na-miss ko rin mag-walking guys. Masarap mag-walking dito sa pag summer kasi mainit. Pag winter, ma-ice ka. So, let's go. Look at the flowers. Napakaganda guys ng araw. Especially this. Look at that rose guys. And this one. Look at that. So nice, isn't it? Look at that. Okay everyone, we're here in the church. Ayan. Look at that, church. See? So ayan guys, andito ko sa old church. Ayan. Gusto ko sana mapasok, pero wag na kasi baka pagalitan tayo. Charot. So, tsaka na lang. Next time na lang pag magsimba na talaga tayo, guys. Kasi, so ayan, napakalaki siya na simbahan. Ayan o. Ayan. So, let's go, guys.
Ay, may bakasara na yun dun.
So, andito na naman tayo sa Hampstead. Ayan. That's the map. Look, there's people there. Maraming mga tao ngayon, guys. Oh, hindi as in marami. Konti lang. So, ayan. Look at that tree. Tingnan mo yung mga tree, oh.
I just kept pretending because at that point I'm in it, you know. But other people.
Look, all the tree, guys. It's like patay na siya pero hindi naman patay yan, guys. Buhay pa yan. Ayan, kung gusto mo mag-gym, pwede ka mag-exercise dito. Guys, look at the cherry tree, guys. Namunga na siya, guys. Nang bulaklak na siya. So nice. Kiana! Kian! There's more blossom, guys. Yan, nag-snack muna siya. Snack muna tayo, guys. So, ayan, guys. Pupunta tayo sa para siyang shop na food. Pwede ka maka-order doon ng mga spaghetti or something like that. So let's go there, guys, kasi nagutom kami ni SJ. So decided to buy some food. So let's go. So dito tayo bibili ng food. Ayan. So ayan, guys, nag-wait lang ako ng food. Ayan, dalawang spaghetti yung in-order ko. Hindi na ako nag-order ng grabe yung hair ko. Hindi na ako nag-order ng water kasi nakabay na kami ng water. So ito yung place. So ayan, guys, nag-upo muna ako. Nag-upo ako sa table. Hihintayin lang natin yung food na in-order ko. Grabe, napawisan na ako, guys. Let's wait pa mo. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes. Basta mag-wait na lang tayo. So, let's go, guys! Andito na yung order ko. Let's see inside. There's cheese.